in all, how's everybody doing? I hope well. Forgive the horrendous hair because I just came back from camping. And I stopped and grabbed a burger at this local place, Twin Pines. I spotted it as I was driving in, but so we got some burger sauce. We got some, we got the burger, which I'll show you in a moment. We got some French fries. Now, I actually had the fries yesterday, and they were really good, so there you go. They've got like a seasoning on them. Give the fry sauce a try. Smells good. The fry sauce has an interesting tang to it. It's really good though. I also picked up, and it's kind of a rarity for me. See if I can. Come on. Come on. I got a milkshake, a peanut butter chocolate milkshake. Oh man. Wow. Yeah, they do a really good milkshake. It's delicious. Let's try the burger wrapped up. Heck yeah, it's a good burger. There's a close-up. I got the cheeseburger deluxe, but I also had them add bacon to it. I had them leave off the onions because I don't like them, and I had them leave off the lettuce because they shred it. And then here's the burger sauce. I'm not quite sure what's in there. It's got a really interesting tang to it. It's quite good though. Fries. And of course the shake. All right, I'm gonna go eat my lunch, and I'll bring it back. I'll tell you what. This place has a really good burger, man. Really good. Burger's great. I don't normally get milkshakes, like I said, but they have a really good milkshake. I don't know what they put in their fry sauce, but it's probably the second best fry sauce I've had of all the places. The first, of course, being Red Mill. But yeah, fry sauce is pretty exceptional. Well, I'll tell you what. This place has a really good burger. If it wasn't an hour and a half from my home, I would eat here more often. But yeah, it's quite a bit out of the way. I still got some fries left, but I don't think I'm going to be able to finish them all. I'm actually pretty full. So, as always, I thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. And don't forget to check the playlist if you missed any episodes. Alright, see ya.